So essentially this is a null factor law question hiding away because we're just getting asked when does either this bracket equal 0, this bracket equal 0, or this final bracket equal 0, because if they're being multiplied together and all coming out to 0, then one of these brackets must be 0. So if this first bracket, if this first bracket is 0, if tan theta take 1 is equal to 0, then tan theta must be 1. So there's our first answer. But obviously it's only 1 mark, I've got one thing there, but all possible values has given me a bit of a hint. There's going to be a bit more to this. So let's keep going, because if this bracket were equal to 0, sine theta take root 3 cos theta. If this were equal to 0, well actually we'd get sine theta is equal to root 3 cos theta. And if we divide, we actually get sine theta over cos theta is equal to root 3, which is tan theta. So actually we've got a second answer right here. And then if we look at this final bracket, sine theta plus root 3 cos theta equals 0, this would happen when we had sine theta equals negative root 3 cos theta. So this would mean tan theta is equal to negative root 3. So actually I have 3 answers here. So tan theta can equal 1 and plus or minus root 3. Now this is a hence, which means part A is going to be involved in some way. So if we look back up here, this equation is very much resembling this equation. And if we take out of our mind that these are causes and sines, which we're not used to dealing with in kind of this double bracket situation, realistically this is a difference of perfect squares. This is a difference of 2 squares. So what we've actually got is this situation is actually equivalent to this, which is what we had above. So it's very much tied in with what we already had. So bearing that in mind, it should make the question a little bit easier, because we've just got to find when does tan theta equal 1, root 3, or negative root 3 between 0 and pi. So, well, tan theta is equal to 1. This implies that theta is equal to pi by 4. Tan theta being root 3, well in this range, tan theta being root 3 implies that it's equal to, I'm just burning my brain now, it's pi by 3. And then tan theta equaling negative root 3, well we can always look at, we know we're going to be talking about this quadrant over here. We know we're going to be talking about this guy, and we know that it's root 3, so we know that this is going to be theta is equal to pi, take pi on 3, otherwise known as 2 pi on 3. So my answers are theta is equal to pi on 4, pi on 3, and 2 pi on 3.